Namaste. Today, I want to discuss something about the coronavirus, and those are really working already in the field of Reiki or any kind of Reiki system, either it's Usui Reiki or Karuna Reiki or Oshonio Reiki or Omni. For them, just a guidance, and this video helps you to understand how to work in the present scenario of Corona or COVID 19 situation. Because, as such, there is no medicine in the market available, vaccine is available, but sometimes we find difficulty in getting the vaccine. Due to lockdown, we are always just stuck at home, and I think this is the good time to understand ourselves, where we really stand physically, mentally, emotionally, psychologically, spiritually. We want to grow, but we don't find any good idea or solution for growing up. This is such a situation that sometimes we think to go out, but we are unable to. So, just living at home, inside the home, without doing anything. But if we have some good energies with us, we can use this. You can send this energy over to our friends, relatives in form of distance healing. So whatever system you have, you can work, because all Reiki systems have a good energies, good symbols, mantras, and especially when I introduced the different Omni systems, I found that Omni really works with more powerful energy, as it includes Yang and Yin both energies. For example, in Usui Reiki or traditional Reiki system, we have a Yang energy. Yang energy means you can work on four upper chakras: crown chakra, third eye, throat, and heart. Then Karuna Reiki. In Karuna Reiki, it's good for emotional problems, psychological problems, physical problems. So you work on crown, third eye, throat, heart, and mind. If we talk about the Omni systems, you get initiation of all seven chakras. Again, crown, third eye, throat, heart, Manipur, Hara chakra, and root chakra. So here are some positions. Whatever symbols you have, if you have, for example, the Usui Reiki with you, any level whatsoever, work with eyes, temples, ears, third eye, throat chakra, heart chakra, and lungs. This will give you good protection of energy against COVID 19. Though people talk about drinking hot water, hot lemon, these are all additional measures, all are taking, I know. But as far as in terms of Reiki systems, I am showing you this all in this present video. I think it will be helpful for you to understand better. If you have the Karuna Reiki initiation, positions are eyes, temples, ears, forehead, lungs, heart, Manipur. These are the positions to work with Karuna Reiki symbols. Either you have level 1, 2 or master symbol. In terms of Omni system, because you see the Omni system are 14 at the moment. So whatever system you have learned, or if you are in India or in Russia or Bulgaria, UK, Germany, Holland, wherever you are, because I have been traveling a lot, and most of the students I find in India and abroad. So wherever you are, and if you have any Omni system with you, either it's Omni Healing or Omni Sutra, whatever. So you have the symbols, because in Omni we provide all symbols in mantras right from the level 1. So for Omni channels especially, the positions will be eyes, third eye, throat chakra, heart chakra, lungs, Manipur, liver and pancreas, Hara chakra, and root chakra finally. So this way you can work with Omni. And basically, if you are working regularly on daily basis, at least one session you do, so you are always safe. You can also charge your house, your office with this energy, whatever symbol you have, you can do it. Always be safe, do your sessions regularly, and find that you are healthy. Try to follow all guidelines of your state. Do not go out unnecessarily. Take very good care of you and your family. If you want to contact, my email address and my WhatsApp number is shown in the description panel of this video. Thank you very much.